what's happened since? We have a, have you watched any commercial television while you've been here? Have you noticed Churchill Car Insurance?
No.
Oh, God. We have a car insurance company named after him. The emblem of this car insurance company is one of those nodding dogs that if you're really cheesy you put in the back of your car, only it's got Churchill's face. Right? What other political leader in human history could you do that to? Right? He's been branded in a completely unique way. That face is like the Coca-Cola bottle. It's one of the most instantly recognizable images of our world. And it's bizarre. He died 50 years ago. How is that imaginable, let alone happening? He won the Nobel Prize for Literature. Wow. Among the many things he did.